Hi boys and girls, today is lesson 2 for homophones, lesson 12. Today what we're going to practice doing is just writing each word and reviewing the meaning, writing each letter of each word, okay? So we are going to start with our first homophone. I'm going to spell the word. I want you to write it as I spell it, and then we're going to discuss what the meaning is, okay? So let's get started. Your first one is whole, okay? I want you to spell it H-O-L-E, okay? This kind of hole is like a hole in the ground. So I'm going to draw a little picture of the ground for a hint, and I'm going to put a hole in it, okay? So this kind of hole is a hole in the ground, okay? Now I want you to write whole. It's homophone. W-H-O-L-E. And think about this. This word is longer because it has a silent W in the beginning. So think about the longer word means you get a whole piece of something. It's the bigger word and you get the whole pizza or the whole cookie, okay? So this whole is getting all of something, okay? Getting all of the pizza. And this hole is a hole in the ground. Okay, let's erase. And feel free to draw some little pictures with it to help you remember too. The next one I want you to write is its. This one's a hard one. I-T-S. Remember from yesterday, this its, you always test it is in a sentence. And if it doesn't make sense, then you need the its without the apostrophe. So this its, the dog was licking its paws. We wouldn't say the dog was licking its paws. That wouldn't make sense. So it would be the its without the apostrophe. Okay. Now I want you to write I-T apostrophe S. And remember, an apostrophe goes up in the air, not a comma that's down below. The apostrophe goes up high. This type of its stands for it is, okay? It's a beautiful day outside. So we could say, okay, it is a beautiful day outside. Does that make sense? Yes, it does. So it would be the it's with the apostrophe. So whenever it is makes sense in the sentence, you need the apostrophe for the word it's. Okay, let's erase. Next one, I want you to spell H-E-A-R. Okay, what word is that? Hopefully you said here. Now, can you think about what was the meaning of this here? Think about that hint. What was the meaning of this here? Okay, if you said you can hear something because it has the word ear in it, you are correct. So this here means you can hear something. I hear the dog barking, or I hear the train going by. Something you hear. Okay, now I want you to write the next one. H-E-R-E. Okay, think about that meaning. If you said, come here quickly, like a place, this shows a place, like somewhere you're going or something, go sit, can you come and sit here? So that would be like a place. Okay, this here is with your ear. Okay, erase. Okay, your next one I want you to write W-O-N. W-O-N. Okay, what is that word? Hopefully you said one. And what does this mean? What's this one mean? If you said you won the race or you won the game, you're exactly right. Okay, let's try another one. O-N, and you should be writing with me, E. O-N-E. Okay. This means what? Hopefully you said the number one. This means the number one. O-N-E. That's how we write the word one. Okay. I won the game. The number one. Okay, erase. Now I want you to write H-O-U-R. Okay, it should look like this. What do you think the meaning of this is, and what word is this? Okay, if you said hour, you're right. The H is silent. Watch my mouth. Hour. You don't hear me say hour. It's hour. The H is silent. This is like the hour on the clock, what time it is, okay? What the hour of the day is, or the hour hand on the clock. Okay, now write O-U-R. Okay, this hour, when we take off the H, this is our best friend or our classroom. This hour shows some type of ownership. So think the shorter hour is something we own. The longer hour is the clock on the hand. Okay, let's erase. Okay, right. T-H-E-I-R. Okay, hopefully you know that that's the word there. Now this there shows ownership. That is their house, their car, their game they're playing on the playground. That's their lunchbox. Okay, this kind of there shows ownership. The E-I-R shows ownership. All right, now let's write the other one. T-H-E-R-E. Okay. Again, this one shows a place. Go sit over there. How about you go play over there with your friends? Showing a place to go is this type of there. Okay, let's erase. Now I want you to write F-U-R. F-U-R. So we have fur. This is like the dog's fur that's very soft, okay? So a soft doggy's fur. Then we have F-I-R. And remember, this is like a, oh, and I'm terrible at drawing these. This is like a, see if you remember when I show you this. This is like a type of tree, a Christmas tree, a fir tree. Okay, so this one is for the tree, the type of tree, and this one is a dog's fur or an animal's fur, not just a dog's fur, any kind of fur. Okay, the review words this week are road and road. So let's do the first one. R-O-A-D. Okay, do you remember which type of road this is? See if you could draw a quick picture to show me. I'm going to draw a quick picture too. Let's see if our pictures match. Okay. The type of road where you would drive on the road with your car would be this kind of road. Okay. Now do R-O-D-E. Oh, this ought to be fun. Okay. This one is when you rode, I put riding my horse. So if you rode on your horse or your bike, would be this kind of road. Okay. All right, let's erase. Today's worksheet that you will be doing is Reader's Workbook, Reader's Notebook, page 182. It says, who am I? Put this behind it. Who am I? So it says, read each clue, then write the correct word on the line. Read each clue and then write the correct word on the line. So the first one says, every day has 24 of me. Oh, what did we talk about? That would be hour, okay? Number 10, hour, H-O-U-R, hour. Wolves and bears wear me. Oh, what did we say? What kind of fur do animals wear? F-U-R. If you were correct, you would have F-U-R. All right, so I think hopefully you get this okay. You're just filling in the blank with the correct homophone. Now you have to know the meaning, so if you need to go back and watch this video, you can do that. Like this one, I am first. If you're first, you won the race, W-O-N. I am all, not just part. If you're all of something, you're not just part. You're the whole. The whole, W-H-O-L-E. So I've given lots of clues on this, so hopefully you will do a great job. Okay, good luck.